Hey, this is a quick look at the new pre-built sequences library on Avairto.com. These are fairly complex sequences that you can download immediately and install on a WordPress site that has the Avairto plugin installed. So to do that, I would just basically click on a sequence. I'll do this random word association, scroll down to the bottom, and all of these kind of describe the sequence and tell what they do. I'm going to agree to terms, download. I'll just save it to my hard drive, and saved it locally to a folder. And then I go out to my Avairto site. Right now I don't have any sequences, so I'll go to import this. I'll go to Tools and Import. The first time you do this, you'll hit the Install Now link under WordPress, and that'll install the WordPress importer. And it's that quick, and now I can just click on Run Importer. I can use the Choose File button to browse my hard drive, and there's that sequence that we just downloaded. Double click that, upload it. It doesn't have any attachments. I can just skip the download and import file attachments, or not check it, and I'll just click Submit to continue. It always says it failed to import the author. I removed the author because I don't want to import an author into your site. So basically, it'll assign the new sequence to whoever imported it, which is what you want. So ignore that. That's not an error. And then at that point, you can go to Avairto, and here's the random word association sequence that we just imported. And we can run it right here. Right now, I have the OpenAI API installed and ready to go. So I can basically just run this. And what this sequence does is it begins by asking you to identify a problem. What's the objective? Clearly articulate the end goal of the ideation process. So my objective is to solve global warming. And what this will do is it starts with a list of 178 words, and it will shuffle them at random. And Avairto has this built-in random engine that's not dependent on AI, so it generates truly random lists, and in this case shuffles a list randomly. So it shuffles these 178 words and then picks one off the top of the shuffled list, and then uses that in an ideation sequence to help solve your problem. So it looks like the first word it chose was lantern. It'll take that word lantern and go through an ideation loop where it applies the problem of global warming, considering using the word lantern to solve it. So it's going to come up with different ideas than if you just throw solutions for global warming at it. Next word looks like it's onion, and so it went through and it did the three words. It'll generate a report at the top here. It looks like it gave us a few items for each word that it chose. So lantern was iteration 1, elevator was iteration 2, and onion was iteration 3 because we asked it for three iterations. So if you want to edit that in any way, you can. All of these sequences are great starting points for your own automation. So you could pull it in and edit as needed.